Hola clase, hoy es jueves el 5 de mayo. Aquí es donde nos dirigimos hoy. So I am not there with you today. Hopefully you are having a fantastic day. And here is what you are going to be working on today for your assignment in La Clase de Español. So after watching this video, you are going to receive a T-chart from the guest teacher. And step number 1 of your activities to do today is to fill out the left column of that T-chart, focusing on Cinco de Mayo. In that side of the T-chart, you're going to list 3 things you know or think you know about Cinco de Mayo. Then you are going to complete this Ed puzzle that's focusing on Cinco de Mayo. The Ed puzzle is in Spanish, but the speaker speaks very slowly. So I think you will do a fantastic job being able to listen and understand. Remember, if there are parts you're unsure about, use that rewatch button so that you can be sure you're getting the information you need. So you've done the left side of the T-chart, you've done the Ed puzzle. Now you need to do the right column of the T-chart focusing on Cinco de Mayo. And for this, you're going to list 3 things that you learned by viewing the Ed puzzle. Make sure when you have finished the T-chart that you go ahead and turn that into the guest teacher. If you prefer to hold on to it until tomorrow when I am back, then you can do that as well. So we've done the T-chart, the Ed puzzle. Those are good to go. So now you are going to read an article. The article is written in Spanish and it's titled Paisajes, Jurásicos. After you've read the article, you're going to write a summary in English about what you learned. Make sure that you're using the footnotes that are at the bottom. I believe they're on the bottom right-hand side of the article. And so those are going to help you figure out words that you may not know. Sorry to 2 of you, I think, that will have to use a paper copy of the article. The company did not send us enough copies of the actual magazine. And so I had to make some copies of that. You may keep that magazine after you are done, and you can do any of the activities in it just for fun. Make sure when you have finished your summary that you turn that into the guest teacher. On the summary, it asks for your name and then the title of the article, and it also asks for the article source. The article source is ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal is the name of the magazine, and article source just means where was this article coming from? Because at some point we may do an article from a different magazine, and I want to make sure that I know which magazine it came from. So you've done steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you're ready to do step 5. For step 5, you're going to visit this link right here. And you're going to take a test over most common words 76 to 100. After you've completed the test, please take a screenshot of your final score, and then you're going to submit that. And so to submit, remember, you'll just come up here. Yours would say start assignment because I've already done this once. You're going to upload the file. You're going to choose a file. I'm just going to choose this one because it's an actual picture. I'm going to click open, and then I'm going to submit my assignment. So now my assignment has been submitted and I am done with that portion. So once you finish those things, make sure that you have completed and submitted this week's Par Empezar 5.2 to 5.6. Remember, that's due by 11:59 on Friday. After that, you can go to class content, Duolingo, practice vocabulary in our Quizlet module, read quietly, or work on any other work you may have. Those of you that are into doing Duolingo, the cutoff for that is next Friday. So make sure that if that's something you're interested in, you're keeping that in mind. If you would like, remember yesterday you got your study list for the semester 2 test. You could start going through that and working on things that you maybe need to know more about, writing down questions you have. We'll discuss those questions on Friday. If you can't find that paper already, you can go over to modules and just go down to Notas para la clase de español. And then you're going to scroll all the way down here. This one, this should be just the PDF copy of the study list. And so this is what you were given in class. Just shows you all those things. And then I also have another link that you could visit in that same section of Notas para la clase de español. You're going to click on this one. And this is going to show you just some different links that you could practice within Quizlet that could help you prepare for that test. So having something to actually work on if you finish all of your assignments early should not be a problem for you. The guest teacher will also have some extra credit opportunities. A couple people took advantage of that the last time I was out. So that's a good way to earn at least 10 points extra credit. Also, one more thing, each of these assignments in the lesson will be scored separately. The Cinco de Mayo T chart is 10 points, the Cinco de Mayo Ed puzzle is 10 points, and then the test, remember in quotation marks, is 25 points. I will be in and out potentially of the room today, so I may stop in and say hola. So make sure you're doing your personal best. Have a great day, and I will see you in viernes. Adios.